Hey there, this is Shelby Winkle. I am a Scentsy director for Team Saving Sawyer Salute Samantha, and today I wanted to talk to you about smell mail or happy mail, whatever you like to call it, mail that reaches your customers. I do this every month. It is a labor of love. It is something that takes me a lot of time, but I see such high results from it that I will forever do it. And I love to get the fragrances under my customers' noses. So I actually like to go onto Canva and I decorate my envelopes. I think this is a super cute way to customize what you want them to see, to make it pretty when they open up their mailbox. And I like doing it. It's really cute. And then I can add like my QR code to the front. So when anyone else sees it, they can scan it if they want to order. So I have my envelopes. Obviously, this is for February. And then I do a scent of the month with the flyer of the month every month. Now, I do it a little bit different. I actually just take my wax on my little pads and stick it right to it. I've asked customers what they think of it, and they say it is just fine doing it that way. It is a time saver, not having to bag them all, and I love doing it this way. And look at how gorgeous that warmer is for February. 10% off. It's so pretty, and this scent is amazing. It is that perfect transition from winter to spring. It's not too sweet, but it's fresh with a little bit of fruity sweetness to it. I love it. I'm actually really surprised how much I love it. So I am going to add the warmer of the month flyer. And then I have created a little newsletter. I've gone off of, another consultant's and helped create the one I wanted so my customers see what else is going on. A lot of times I utilize my smell mail as a way of communicating versus sending text or emails constantly. I really like that I can send this to them. It keeps me on their brain when they get it. Plus, they get to smell wonderful scents. So I have the warmer of the month scents in there. And then also I am preparing for our Go-Go Mango Sensational Senspiration, collection that's coming out. So I am adding that also to my scent mail. Now, this is just for my customers who have been ordering, continuously. When I have a customer that has ordered something new or ordered online, I will send them a showcase brochure and include the same products and then maybe a couple other little samples in there of something I have, like a body lotion or something that's flat that it's still easily sent with one stamp or one stamp and one extra ounce stamp. I try to limit how much I'm going to be spending on my postage since I send so many out that I have to be smart about that. So there's that. And then on the month that they are, if they have not placed an order after 3 months, I send an, oh no, please don't go, little flyer in there with their order. And this helps to remind them like, hey, you have not ordered. Will you, I put my QR code on there so it can let them know it's easy to go to. And then I also check in with them that month to see if they need anything. So that's my smell mail. I hope this helps you out. I consistently do this. Even if I get it out late in the month, it is going to get out. I want my customers to get those fragrances under their noses. The nose is what buys the products, okay? And I want to inform them about what is going on with our catalog, with our join specials, things like that. So this is what I do every month. Consistency, consistency, consistency. If you have any questions, just comment and I can help you. Take care.